In this video, I will guide you on how to use Snapchat Lens Studio AI Clip feature. If you are a Snapchat user and you want to use the Snapchat Lens Studio AI Clip, then the first thing you want to do is open the Snapchat app on your device. Remember that you must be a subscriber to Lens Plus or Snapchat Plus for this. Now, you want to tap on this lens icon over here. Now tap on the search bar and you simply want to search for AI Clip Lens. So go ahead and select whichever one that you prefer. Now click a photo if the prompt requires a photo. Either take a standard selfie or tap on the paperclip gallery icon to upload an image of your camera roll. Tap the screen to apply the template. The lens will automatically morph your static picture into a 5-second moving video, matching the creator's predetermined theme. Now save the 5-second video to your memories and send it directly to friends or post it to your story. In this way, you can easily use Snapchat Lens Studio AI Clip feature. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.